It's been 1 year since we've installed our XPEL windshield protection film, and it's time to do a little bit of maintenance. Now, XPEL offers this little bottle, and it's called WPF Restore. WPF is short for windshield protection film. And what this is supposed to do, it's supposed to give you back that hydrophobic characteristic, meaning it repels water, also improve the clarability and make it last longer. So we're gonna show you how to apply it and go from there. Okay, we're gonna need some gloves, a microfiber towel, and some eye pro. All right, first wash and dry your windshield. Make sure it's completely dry. And then we're gonna shake the bottle really well. And then after that, divide the windshield into 4 segments. We're gonna start right here. We're gonna spray it. We're gonna start massaging it in. I am not pressing hard on it. I'm just working it in there. So we're just buffing until it works in there and you have a clear finish. All right, we're gonna do this segment right here. We're gonna actually start with the new side of the microfiber towel and we're gonna work it in. Again, not pressing down too hard, but just buffing it in until the streaks go away. You can actually tell a difference. I don't know if the camera will catch it, but from when we pan from the left to the right, it definitely gets clearer. And they say you're supposed to do this every 6 months. And based on what we've used so far, this little bottle should last us a few years. And guys, it is definitely clear. So this was something good to do, and we're excited that we could make it last longer. All right, that was a good arm workout, but our windshield protection film is now maintained and it's got a new layer and it's gonna last longer. All right guys, thank you for watching. I'll have the link for the product in the description. We're not sponsored. We're just showing you how to take care of your car. All right guys, thank you for watching. Take care, stay safe. We'll talk to you soon.